welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss NT videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright, y'all can tell from the title we are doing a skincare related video today. I had to refilm it, redo some stuff, so here we are today. As some of you guys know, I've been struggling a little bit with my breakouts. I don't know what the world happened. It just started in February and it's still going on, so we're gonna have to figure something out, okay? Today I will be doing a apple cider vinegar bentonite clay mask, y'all. I've been doing these on and off throughout the year, so I'll be showing you guys how I make it, how I apply it, and what I do afterwards after rinsing off the mask and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing first, with this apple cider vinegar clay mask, before I even make it, you need to start on freshly clean skin. So I just finished washing my face. I haven't put any moisturizer on it or anything. All I did was cleanse my face. These are the two brands that I usually get. So let's go ahead and get to making the mask. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need the Indian healing clay, you're going to need the apple cider vinegar, and you're going to need a plastic container, and I'm using a plastic knife. You do not want to use metal when you're working with these ingredients, because the metal and the ingredients will interact with each other. So I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit of the clay into the bowl. I'm trying to eyeball it because I'm not trying to make too much, because sometimes I'll be making too much. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of the apple cider vinegar at a time, because I do not want to make this too watery. I'm going to go ahead and mix it up with my plastic knife. I made it a little bit too thick, so I'm adding a little bit more apple cider vinegar, which was too much. So I ended up adding a little bit more of the clay. As y'all can see, that was a little runny, so I'm adding a little bit more of the clay to get that perfect creamy consistency. Go ahead and mix it up. And then I'm going to show you guys how it should look. It should look more like the best way I can describe it is like a creamy conditioner like consistency. So that's the perfect consistency that I like. I'm going to show you guys my skin up close. Y'all know I've been struggling. I've been struggling with this skin, but it's getting better. So this is my skin before I add on the apple cider vinegar clay mask. Like I said, you want to start on clean skin. Then I'm going to be using an applicator to apply it to my face so my fingers don't get all dirty. And I'm just going to smooth it all around my face. I'm trying to make it a thin layer, but not too thin, but not too thick, because I do want it to dry down while we wait. But some of the benefits of this clay mask is that it is a stronger type of mask, but it is a natural mask, so it's supposed to help take all of the toxins out of your skin, pull the toxins out of your skin, bring everything forward to the surface. And it's also supposed to help detox your skin, balance the pH, all that good stuff. So I really do like this mask, and y'all already know I use this mask on my hair as well. The curls be popping, locking, juice-licious. Y'all already know that. So I really like using it on my hair and skin. And this is how the mask looks after I'm done applying it to my whole entire face. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait about 20 minutes for it to dry down, and this is how it looks. And y'all, I be thinking people be lying when it be tight, but it be tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off with warm water. Make sure I get all of it off, because it does get a little messy. This is my skin immediately after washing off the mask. It do look like I got a little sunburn, but it is normal for your skin to look a little red. That's the blood flowing to the face. So after I'm done with the mask, I make sure to follow up with a sheet mask. I always do this because the actual apple cider vinegar clay mask, it is a lot drying on the face. So I always follow up with a sheet mask, which really help settle my skin, moisturize it, get it back hydrated, and also cool it down because it is a little red. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes for that. And this is the skin right after I took the sheet mask off, so it does settle down. I'm gonna go ahead and start moisturizing my face with my usual skincare things, but it has changed, so I will be doing an updated video. But I'm going to be using my rose water, my facial oil, and a face moisturizer, and my SPF, just to make sure I lock in all the moisture, because like I said, the actual clay mask is drying on the skin. But this step is so important to moisturize your skin properly, because like I said, this clay mask is a little drying on the skin, so you want to make sure you're moisturizing your skin properly. So once I'm done moisturizing, putting all the goodness back into the skin, I'm going to show you guys how my face is looking, because it is still a little red, but I'm going to show you once it's completely settled down. But this clay mask can be used as many times a week as you like. I just use it 1 to 2 times a week or whenever I feel like I need to use it, but it's a very good mask to help detox your skin. And this is my skin right after I'm done moisturizing. I let it settle down. And yeah, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments, have you ever tried a apple cider vinegar clay mask before? If you have, how was your results? How was your experience? And I will see you guys in my next one. Iyana LeShea, and I am the creator, the owner, and illustrator for Iyana LeShea Illustrations. I started Iyana LeShea Illustrations back on October 25th, 2019. I create my own illustrations for t-shirts, sweatshirts, wall decor, poster prints, and more things to come when I expand my catalog. I'm not going to tell you yet, but it's a bunch more to come. I aim for my illustrations and my brand to empower, encourage, and inspire our Black community out here, y'all. We really need this. Some deals that I have on my shirts and products on my site right now is if you sign up for the newsletters, you will receive 10% off your first order. And also when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll be in the know about when I launch new products, when I launch new designs, what's new to come, early bird access to the new designs, details on how I came up with a specific design or a specific collection, and you'll also get some exclusive deals on the newsletter. So make sure you go check out my website and my brand at www.iyanalesheaillustrations.com, and I'll see you guys over there rocking.